Hello and welcome to another Siri shortcut video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this shortcut called QR code from calendar event. Firstly, I'm going to show you what the shortcut does. You tap on the shortcut, choose an event from your list of calendar events. For this purpose or tutorial, I will choose event 1. So I'm going to tap event 1 and it creates a QR code for my friends to scan so that they can get the same event in their calendar. So let's try it. Pause the video now, scan the QR code, and see that we have the exact same events in our calendar. Go into calendar, and I have a lot of calendar events. So I'm going to open event 1, and then the title should be event 1. Location, Werribee Zoo, URL, zoo.org.au Werribee/Werribee, and the notes is testing only. So basically, yours should look exactly like mine, and tell me in the comments down below if it works for you. So now I'm going to go back into Siri Shortcuts app. So firstly, what you want to do to make the shortcut is to get the plus button, tap the plus button, and then search for upcoming events. Tap on get upcoming events, and then you can choose as many upcoming events in your list as you want. So basically, I just put 1. You can put 50, 100, 1 million, doesn't matter. Make sure the day is any day. And now, get a choose from list action, and then the prompt could be any, it could be like calendar events, it's optional. I'm not going to do a prompt. So now get set name, and then it says set name of chosen item to name. So change the name to chosen item .csv. Okay? Make sure it shows don't include file extension is turned off. Now you want to get a text box and put the renamed item inside. Now you want to get generate QR code. Oops. Okay, and then tap show more and make sure error correction is high. And now look for quick look and tap on it, and you can turn on full screen if you want or not. Depends if you want the QR code to be big or small. So now call it whatever you want. QR code from calendar event. Okay, let's search. Let's run it. I'm going to tap event 1, and then it creates a QR code for you. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech Treehouse and turn on all the notifications so that you can get updates on future videos. Bye and see you then.